Nick's given the confidence to go forward and the growth of the company. His advice and his documents and himself has just sped up the growth of the company. It's streamlined everything. It's given us every opportunity to grow into the future. He's a likeable guy. He approached me by a couple of very clever little tricks which I really enjoyed, to be honest. I've grown to like the man over the years. He's just a good bloke. Yeah, just do it. Just absolutely do it. If you're serious about your business and you really want to grow and push on, you should do it. Coaching is a great thing. If you're serious, just do it.